This is a public service announcement, the kind of ones that you see on the telly that are pre-recorded before the event to warn people of what's going on, like a meteorite coming down from space, or everybody's turned to a zombie stay at home, or even worse than all of that, I've run out of brute and millions of women from around the world are running to my location. So, right this second, right now, one of the biggest things in the entire world is happening. I am currently riding along on a Honda Vision at probably around 25 miles an hour, battling my way across what potentially could be beautiful sunny weather, or terrible rain, or even a blizzard of snow, or thick ice, or even worse, a swarm of crazy mosquitoes chasing me, to try to ride from a small town in the Midlands called Desborough all the way to the end of the world, Skeg Vegas, to raise money for PTSD. Now if you're here, you probably already know this entire thing, but right now I'm battling across there, holding on, hopefully dressed absolutely awesomely in glitter jackets and all sorts of stuff, and a bike that's graffited up with rockets on and flags coming off the back, the sidekick on whatever contraption he's managed to put together for this trip. And we are literally flying along, fingers crossed, with other people. YouTubers have been interested from around the world to come along to this event and share and spread this message for PTSD UK. And this whole trip right now, what I'm doing and battling through is to raise money for PTSD UK. Now, the reason why I've just put this video up is because obviously everyone's expecting the big trip. But of course, I'm currently filming it, so it won't be up for a few days yet. But for me personally, I've been hugely humbled by the amount of people that have been involved in contact, the press we've had, the newspaper reports, the rest of it has been literally probably one of the most humbling things ever in my entire life. Now, what I would really love to see is that total on the Just Giving on the link down below going up right now. Imagine my face, imagine literally, I'll probably end up crying, not on camera because obviously I'm a real man, but I'll probably end up crying just to see that total go up again as we're battling across. I'm going to arrive there after, and it's not just riding, it's filming time, so potentially after 2 zillion hours of riding at 85 miles, we will be exhausted. I personally will be shattered, but to be able to switch on my phone, because I'll be conserving battery to try and make the trip last, but when I switch on my phone for that few minutes just to have a look, would be fantastic to see that Just Giving link come up in my emails to say that more people have donated. So far, people have donated from far and wide, and like I said, it is humbling, it's incredible, and we're doing our absolute best to get Just Giving UK £1,000 from this trip. So if you're considering donating, and even if you want to do it in small parts or whatever you can, I really would appreciate if you did, because right now when I get there, if I can open up my phone and see that total shoot up, it will be overwhelming. So please think about it, and if you possibly can, please donate. Now, all I'm going to turn around and say is that I am going to do probably my best to put up a live stream at some point while this trip's going on. Can't guarantee that, my phone is not the best, but I will do my best, and I'm sure if all these YouTube channels that are going to be involved in this turn up, I'm sure they'll be putting something up as well. So between us, hopefully we can keep you updated. But the first episode of the big charity trip is coming extremely soon, so please don't disappear, and please continue watching the channel, and it's going to be an absolutely epic ride. But like I said, hopefully we can get that total up, because this whole thing is about PTSD UK, and please imagine me riding along looking like a plonker like this, hours and hours and hours to raise this money, because I will do my absolute best that I can possibly do to get awareness and get as much money for this charity as possible. So anyway, I hope you'll be around for the first crazy episode when it's about to come out in the near future, and thank you so much for your donations and your support. It is overwhelming and it is absolutely fantastic. So I just want to turn around and say, anybody that's watching this who suffers from PTSD, the charity are there, they are there to help, there is support there, please use it. You guys do never ever need to ride alone. Anybody with any kind of condition or anything, remember, we're all here, we're the biking community, we all work together so well, and you never have to ride alone. And the one thing I want to say to everybody watching this, and of course it is probably the most important saying in life, because people laugh at it, but it's very true: eat pies, ride motorcycles, be happy. See you soon, take care, bye bye.